Yo guys, welcome in today's video. In today's video I want to give you guys a quick update on the Bitcoin price. I'm still a little bit sick, as you may hear my voice, but yeah, nevertheless it's Monday. I've been resting the whole weekend. Actually, I haven't been resting. I've been moving places while I was sick, so yeah, it was a little bit hectic all in all, so I didn't really upload any videos. Just want to give you guys a quick update right now, and of course when I feel better, when I'm like in optimal strength again, I'm going to make perfect videos, guys. But yeah, just a quick update. In the beginning of the weekend I also shared a post over on Twitter that signs on the Whale portal are actually looking quite interesting. The take and buy sell ratio really went up, which means that there is some buying pressure coming into the markets, right? That was very important. We have seen the premium index going quite negative. The funding rates were really coming down. And yeah, since that the price also slightly went up. But there is some resistance right now where the price is being which the price is touching but hasn't really seen a breakout, and that is 29,700, the level that I've been talking about before the weekend as well. And this is the level from the sideways range, which was the former support, which right now is acting as resistance, right? So if we can reclaim that level, we are back in that sideways range. But also next to that it is the former support of that sideways range, it is also the 4-hour EMA ribbon. And what we can see is quite interesting, because Bitcoin continues to get rejected from the 4-hour EMA ribbon, but these rejections are getting less and less extreme. So I wouldn't turn bullish unless we reclaim any levels, because that's just the strategy, right? The trend is your friend until the end. Right now the trend is clearly to the downside. Bitcoin getting rejected from the 4-hour EMA ribbon, which is coming down, of course. But yeah, the moment we can flip that, the moment we can reclaim that, the moment we can reclaim 29,700 and hold above this level, that will be the first signs that I'm going to turn more bullish in the shorter term time frame. There is also the 60-day cycle low is coming closer. That is something to take into consideration, because normally we are seeing Bitcoin moving within these 60-day cycles, which means we have a low, 60 days later we have a low in the Bitcoin prices as well. And right now we are approaching the end of that 60-day cycle. We are on day maybe between day 40 and 50, so we are in the later part of that cycle, which would make less sense if we just look at the cycle. It would make less sense for Bitcoin to start rallying at the end of the cycle, as we are getting closer to that cycle low. However, I think we should also just look at the price action, right? And if price action can reclaim these levels that I just pointed out, at least in the shorter term time frame, things are starting to look more bullish. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, make sure to leave a thumbs up, guys. If you are new to the channel and you want to stay connected, make sure to subscribe. It's very much appreciated. Hope you can appreciate this quick update. Guys, once I'm better, once I'm completely recovered, I will make a little bit longer videos in front of the computer, edit them a little bit more nicer, so it's better, it's nicer for you to watch. So guys, I want to wish you all a beautiful day. Hope you all are very, very healthy, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.